Apparatus maintenance is very important for your departments. Here we use our F160, Formula 160 truck wash. Very concentrated, high performing truck wash. Does a lot for a little money. We pair that with our Ecolution cleaner degreaser. It's a neutral pH degreaser. One of the benefits of that is it won't hurt the paint job of the trucks. But sometimes you get some grime and grit and road tar or bugs that you need to get off of these apparatus. These customers take a lot of pride in their equipment. These machines are very expensive, so they get washed pretty much every single day. They want them to look really nicely. Another thing this department uses is our State Dream Gleam, which is a vinyl and rubber protectant. So keep the tires looking fresh, especially in the spring and summer and parade season. We use the Dream Gleam to keep everything looking nice. They also use it to wipe down the dash and those kind of things, but really makes the tires pop and gives them a good protective coating.